Hi my friends, for today I have a new lesson for you. Today we will learn the photo text. This is a very useful tool that you have in Gimp and not only. And the final image, you can use it on your social media or on your website. So let's go on. So we have here an image and we will make another image, but it's very important here we'll make a new layer, and it's very important to be on transparency in here. So we created here a new layer and we will apply a gradient. Just keep control and just drag. Now we have here two images. One is the image and the other is the gradient. And right now we want to write something. And I will write Gimp best. Okay, and I will put 700. Okay. As you can see, the letters are less spaced between them. It looks more beautiful like that. And I will also put a bold, and I will use another font, let's say Palatino bold. Just a moment. So we have Palatino bold. Okay, let's try one more. Let's say Gabriola. No, Palatino. So this is the one that we will use here. And like that is perfect. Okay, we will move it a little bit in here to be a little bit more centered. And now we have the image, we have the gradient, and we have the text. Good. Right now there is one more important thing. We have to go here on alignment tool. Just a sec. Yeah. Double click in there, and it's very important to be here on image. To be as image. Okay, then we go here on the right on our text and just click in here. We go in here, alpha to selection. We have this in here. We go in here and push this button. We go on this layer and push delete. Okay. this is it, my friends. Select none. Okay, and right now we can do something more. If we want, we can play a little bit with this. Okay, and just drag it in here like that. Looks better. Okay, and we can do something even more. We can decrease this to see a little bit also the image underneath. And this is the final image. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.